Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be taking an in-depth look at the overall fit and function of the Cosmo protective case with inbuilt screen protector from i-Blason. Today we'll be fashioning this case on the iPhone 11 in green, but this case is also available for the 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max models in varying colours. This fun space-age looking design will really help your iPhone 11 remain in pristine condition with its excellent protective properties, all while bringing a bright eye-catching look to the phone's design. Say goodbye to ugly scratches and scrapes caused by heavy impacts and day-to-day wear and tear, as this handy case covers your phone from every angle, using the ingenious busy pattern to help cover any annoying imperfections. It fits similarly to the heavier i-Blason Unicorn Beetle case or the favoured Otterbox Defender, but without the additional bulk. The overall frame clips onto the front of the screen before sitting inside the outer shell and sealing around the screen's edges for an airtight, seamless coverage. In hand, it does add a little weight, but compared to the overall highly protective cases on the market, this one is considerably lighter while maintaining the strong impact protection every phone user needs. The back offers a nice marble effect inlaid with a splatter of gold flecks and a nice gold rim around the camera for a highly luxurious finish. The blue colouring matches the green quite well, and even if you have another colour handset, it also comes in pink, purple and green to keep up with the large colour range of the 11 series. The outer casing is quite shiny and a little slippery in hand, but it seems to have a nice weight distribution, holding it down nicely when texting or scrolling for that added comfort. Taking a look along the edges, the buttons are covered in a flexible rubbery material that responds nicely to my touch. The ports and switches are open enough to allow smooth access while offering that nice deep access to protect the vulnerable parts of your phone from damage. All around the edge, you'll find a secure TPU bumper nicely integrated into the design that uses shock-absorbing technology to completely protect your corners, back and screen from potentially devastating impacts. The main attraction for this phone is undoubtedly the inbuilt screen protector. Though made from a thin plastic-like material, the protector doesn't fog up the screen and seems to do a brilliant job holding off fingerprint marks. It's even embedded with a dot matrix pattern that stops moisture buildup inside the screen, staving off that annoying rainbow effect. Of course, i-Blason are well known for their industry-leading protective cases with attitude, and this case clearly keeps up with the modern look and feel of the iPhone series, protecting your phone in style. So that's it for our look into the Cosmo protective case with inbuilt screen protector from i-Blason. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more quality daily smartphone accessory news and reviews. Thanks for watching.